Advanced SolidWorks license. Troubleshooting. Beyond basic fixes. Hello and welcome back to Elvis Creatives. Are you stuck with annoying SolidWorks license errors that just won't go away? You've reinstalled, rebooted, followed every basic tutorial, and yet that license not found message still haunts you? Don't worry. This video dives deep into advanced level troubleshooting, going beyond the usual fixes. If you've been struggling with persistent installation or licensing issues, you're about to learn how to solve them once and for all. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss powerful content like this in the future. 1. Invalid license key error. Symptom. You get a pop-up saying, Invalid license key. Steps to fix. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. Locate all instances of SolidWorks FFs.exe. Right-click and end task for each. Open your original extraction folder, then go to the SolidScorp folder. Copy all files from this folder. Navigate to the installation path, e.g. C:\program files, solid SCORP, and paste, replacing all files when prompted. In that same folder, find SolidWorks PDM.dll and rename it to SolidWorks PDM.back. This avoids licensing conflicts. Go back to your extraction folder, right-click the Load Enabler file, and select Merge or Add to Registry. This will register the enabler on your system. Now go ahead and launch SolidWorks. The error should be resolved. Second SQL Server error during electrical installation. Error context. Typically shows up when installing SolidWorks Electrical. Fix method 1. Connect to existing SQL Server. Under Electrical Options, click Change. Next to SQL Server name, click Browse. Select the last available option from the list. Check. Connect using Windows Authentication. Click back to Summary, then hit Install Now. If this doesn't work, proceed to Method 2. Fix Method 2. Install new SQL instance. Under Electrical Options, click Change. Check. Install a new instance of SQL Server. Add AB to the beginning of each field. SQL Server name, AB localhost. Collaborative server name, ABTEW data location, AB SolidWorks. Ensure the checkbox remains selected. Click back to Summary and proceed with installation. 3. Could not obtain a license. Vendor Daemon is down. This is one of the most common FlexNet errors. Fix steps. Open the drive where FlexNet is installed, usually C:. Right-click on server.remove, then run as administrator, then press any key. Now right-click on server.install, then run as administrator, then press any key. This process resets the FlexNet licensing service, fixing conflicts with outdated or corrupted vendor daemons. Now relaunch SolidWorks. 4. Cannot connect to licensed server. This is a service issue where SolidWorks can't communicate with FlexNet. Fix steps. Open the Start menu and type Services. Launch the Services app. Scroll to find SolidWorks, FlexNet license, server. Right-click, then Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start under Service Status. Hit Apply and then OK. Once the service is running, close this window and launch SolidWorks again. Before you go any further, make sure you're subscribed to stay updated on all things CAD. 5. Launch compatibility error. Problem: SolidWorks refuses to launch after installation due to OS compatibility issues. Solution: right-click on the SolidWorks desktop shortcut. Choose Show More Options, then Troubleshoot Compatibility. Let Windows detect issues. When prompted, if SolidWorks isn't listed, click More. If still unavailable, select none of the above windows will apply recommended settings. After this, SolidWorks should launch. The first run might take a while. Be patient. 6. SolidWorks Toolbox error. This happens when the installer attempts to upgrade an older toolbox folder. Fix: during installation, select your existing toolbox folder. The system will automatically upgrade it to the current version. No extra steps required. Proceed with installation 7. Monitor the installation process. Once the installation begins, stick around. Don't walk away or assume everything will go smoothly. Be ready to respond if any new prompts or errors appear. Pro tip: watching the full process ensures you don't miss any steps, especially if it's your first time. Wrap up: you've just unlocked power user level fixes for SolidWorks license and installation problems. If this video helped you, subscribe, like, drop a comment if you have further issues. And remember, I've got more deep dive tutorials coming soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching Elvis Creatives, where CAD gets simplified.